In this video, let's do multiple car replacements. Click Edit and scroll down to check the total before we replace the car. Now it is 2,625. Now, let's scroll up and click Change Ride button. This will perform a search to show the available cars during the booking dates. The search resulted in 2 cars. The rates of both of them are cheaper than the current car. Let's click Book on the Mercedes and scroll down to review the details. Notice now the new total, it is 1,050. Click Submit to confirm the car change. Now let's go to Invoices and check the payment details, history, and outstanding amount. Click View to see the invoice details. And scroll down to the bottom of the page. We will see the booking change log with all the different bookings and their total amounts. We go up and see the payments history. Here there is only one payment of 550 before the car change. Subtracting the 550 from the total of 1,050 will result in the outstanding amount of 500, which is shown at the top. Now let's go back to the same booking and change to the car with the higher rate. We follow the same steps as before. Once the booking is confirmed, let's go back and check the invoice updates. This time, let us add a payment of 1,000. Let us go back to the same booking again and change a car to cheaper one. This time let's pick the BMW. We go back to the invoice, and this time we notice the outstanding amount is 0. So let's view the invoice to check details. Number 1, we made 2 payments 1,550. So the total paid amount is bigger than the rent total. Therefore, we can see the difference which 500 in the refund amount column below. The system will automatically create a credit note for the refund amount. Now we open the credit note, click Refund, and enter the full refund amount. Click Refresh, and we will see the status that it has been refunded in 2 places. Number 1 from within the credit note, and number 2 in the credit note main page.